Drunken-style tutorials refer to tutorials that teach the techniques and movements of the drunken fist, also known as drunken boxing. Drunken fist is a Chinese martial art that imitates the movements and behavior of a drunk person, characterized by unpredictable and fluid movements, exaggerated stumbling, and weaving. Here are some steps and tips to learn drunken fist. 1. Stance. Start with a relaxed and low stance, with your knees slightly bent and feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your body loose and mobile, ready to move in any direction. 2. Swaying and stumbling. Practice swaying your body from side to side, imitating the movements of a drunk person. Allow your upper body to lean forward and backward, creating an off-balance effect. 3. Arm movements. Implement exaggerated arm movements, such as flailing, swinging, and circling. Move your arms in a way that mimics the uncontrolled and unpredictable nature of a drunk person.